Hello to everyone. This is the time-lapse from Postojna from February 26, 2017. Today it's 27th, so this is from yesterday. I bring this in the time when the sun is visible here during the sunset, so this is before the sunset. And yesterday I show you the chemtrails of the comet Pan-STARRS and how hard they chemtrail the sky. Now you will see that this is the west and northwest and part of the southwest. You will see what was the action of chemtrailing the sky, how huge it was yesterday. But you will also see two separate suns setting, one here and one here. So you will see two completely different suns setting in different places, and both suns have a different color. So now watch this very carefully. This is great. So this is the sun here in the upper left. Look at that. I go back just a bit. Look at this here. Look at this here. Just watch this chemtrailing, how hard it is. Do you see these lines? All these lines here belong to the chemtrails. So watch very carefully. Look at that here. Now let's go forward. Look at that. All these lines belong to the chemtrails. So they're bombing the place where the sun is setting down. Remember now, the sun will set in here because the sun goes from this corner here in the pyramid direction here. Okay, it's like a pyramid. Okay, so this is the moment where you see that here. You remember that I showed you yesterday these two things here next to the sun, near to that comet. So this is from another perspective. So watch now. Look at this chemtrail here. Look at this here. This is all crisscrossed. So they want to hide something. You will see now what. Watch this chemtrailing. Look at this mess in the sky here. They're covering complete scene. Try to stop people to realize that two suns are setting right now here. So watch this place here and watch this place here, because we have two separate sunsets. Watch this very carefully. So this is where the sun goes down. You see, this is when the light of the sun touch the horizon, you got this effect here. Okay, look at these chemtrails here. Look at the crisscross whole sky. It's crossed by these traces. Okay, so the sun went down. Here it is. This is the sun. And now look what we got here. Look at the color of this light here, and look at the sun. Another sun is setting here. You see that light here? You will see now. Wait. You see that light here? And you see that light here. These are two different sources of the light. So I may take a screenshot of it. Just a moment. Yes, I can make. So we can reduce the brightness so you will see in the contrast two sources of the light. So this is one. Let's go forward. Let's go forward. Look at this here. 1 and 2. Completely separated and completely different color. Wait. One more. This is good. Okay. Let's go forward. Look at that here. 1, 2. Look at that light here in the top of the antenna. Wait. You see that here? Watch. 1 light, 2 light. Not to mention that they make some intervention here. There's a square here. So I will take also this one, just to show you what I mean, to make these things clear. Okay, now we can launch a graphic program, and I hope that you will get the whole picture, because I So we need Postojna these three pictures here. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay, we'll focus our attention to this here, to this light here. So we will reduce further brightness and contrast. So I will show you what I mean. This is it. You see that here? You see that light here, and you see that light here. Look at the color of this light and look at the color of this light here. Okay, so we may also, for example, add some hue and saturation to color this so you can see it better, what I mean. This is the real situation. Okay, and now we can reduce brightness and contrast so you will see what I mean. This is it. Okay, you see that? 1, 2. Okay, now this is the also better situation when we have 1 and 2, and we can first use brightness and contrast, more brightness and contrast, and more brightness and contrast. So now you will see it. This is completely separated. So the sun is setting here. Look where the light is over there, and it's separated. Not because of the cloud. It's separated completely. It's a different color. You understand? So we can cancel this one and try to use hue and saturation. So I will show you now better situation. Look at this color here and look at this color here. And brightness and contrast. Here it is. So we got two sources of light. This is where the sun is, and this is something else. Okay, and this is the final one, the best one, because you have one light here and one light here. So use brightness and contrast first. Let's see what can we get from brightness and contrast. You see that here? Look at that here and look at that here. In the top of the antenna is the center of this light. Let's try the hue saturation. Yes. Watch these two separate lights. 1 and 2. You can clearly see this has got nothing to do with the sun because the color is different, and this is ending here and this one is ending here. So we have two sources of light in the southwest and west during the sunset. Here it is. Look at that here. Look at that here. I mean, this is incredible. This is the reason why did they do this chemistry yesterday so hard in the Postojna. So this is the came in Postojna. If you want to watch this camera, you just put this in the Google and camera in Postojna, Postojna minus panorama, and you will get the. I can also put this in the description box, this link, so you can easily have this and just click on it. Thank you very much and stay tuned.